Let's add a deficiency into PZM. On the top left-hand side, select Substations, then select Deficiencies. This will land you on our Deficiencies dashboard. At the top, we have View Dashboard, View Table, and Create New Deficiency. Select Create New Deficiency. Select an area, select a substation, select a feeder or yard. Select an asset, select the date that it was found, choose who it was found by, and then enter a description of the deficiency. Select a chance of failure, enter the labor required, select if you need any outside resources, then select if an outage is required. Once the form is complete, hit Add.